Hello folks and welcome to a brand new video of Mr. Pie, and today we have a quadrilateral having side A, B, C and D. This is joined by AC and BD diagonal. Let's assume the central point to be P with the area of BPC to be 6, CPD to be 8, APD to be 12, ADB is not given, and we have to find the total area of this quadrilateral ABCD. So pause the video and try for yourself in 3, 2, 1. Now let me try. First, let's write the area of BCP. BCP upon area of this triangle DPC. Now we know that the area of a triangle is equal to 1 by 2 base into height. So let's assume that this line right here is the height. Okay, this CH is the height of these two triangles BCP and PCD. This is equal. So if we do 1 by 2 base into height, then the height will be cancelled out and 1 by 2 will be cancelled out. So we will be eventually left with a base, that is BP for this and PD for the other. Okay, and again what we can do is we can simply write now again for ABP, for triangle ABP the base is BP, so BP will have a ABP and PD will also be APD. The same reason as above, because if we draw a height for perpendicular line, then it will be equal for both the triangles. BCP is equal to 6 upon 8 DPC equals to 8, and we have BP upon PD is equal to ABD ABP is equal to not given, and APD is equal to 12. So what we can do is we can equate these two equations, that is we can do as 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 2 3s are 6. Therefore ABP is equal to 3 3s are 9, hence it has an area of 9. So if we want to find the total area, we will add this all. 8 plus 12 is equal to 20, 9 plus 6 equals to 15, so the total area will be 35 square units. Thank you.